Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Ford Transit tipper, brand new 2021 plate, and obviously these cars have been stolen left, right and center because they're high value. And so what we've installed on this vehicle is what's called the Starline Smart Security System. Now the way this system works, it's linked to your tag and it's linked to your phone. So if this tag is not present, the car will not start and it will call you on your phone. So I'm going to pretend a way a thief would steal your car. So they will get in your vehicle and they'll try and, obviously they got your key frequency, and they can go through the OBD port and they can start your vehicle, or if they steal your keys pretty much, they can also start your vehicle. So the moment, just turn this off, there you go. So they got your key and they got to start your vehicle. As you can see, I'm turning the key, or clone the key. I can't start the car at all, fully immobilized. So what's also going to happen is it's going to call you on your phone. So I just answer that.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So as you can hear, it says the someone's trying to start the car, the ignition has been turned on. Yeah, so you cannot start the car without the special tag. So I'm going to get an active tag with me, so I'm going to get the real one and come back. So now I got the real tag with me that's linked to this car. So now that I got the tag with me and I got to try and start the car now, as you can see, the car now turns on. So you need to have this tag with you. Without this tag, the car will not turn on. And also with this system you get a smartphone app that you can use. Just going to show you now. So you get full tracking, and you can see the status of your vehicle, and you can also track where it's located as well. And yeah, pretty much it's a full smart security system. If you want the system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028-554-5554 and come visit our Car Sound Security in Ilford Gansil IG26QA. Thank you.